Okay, it's time to pick a winner of this here keyboard. It's a Keychron with a nice bright orange key for the escape. And the video that we're looking at is this one right over here, the Swift UI one. So I'm gonna pick a random comment from there, but you have to be a subscriber. So I'm gonna paste the YouTube URL into the comment picker, click on Get YouTube Comments, and let's see who's going to win. Let's spin the wheel right here. Who is it gonna be? MCR Joker. Thanks for the video and giveaways. Well, congratulations, Mr. Joker. You have won. All right.